Welcome to the newly updated Exer Scan app. In this video, we'll guide you through a few exciting recent changes designed to make your experience smoother and more intuitive. Before we begin, please make sure your Exer Scan app is updated to the latest version, which you can do via the Apple App Store. First up, we've streamlined navigation. At the bottom of the screen, there is a static menu bar allowing for easy transition between the Modules screen and the All Sessions screen. Additionally, we added at the top a fixed header so you can easily switch locations when needed. On the Modules screen, after selecting an assessment, you can now assign an ID to a patient or resident. Simply open an assessment, click Select or Create ID, and enter your desired ID. Once the assessment is complete, the results will be linked to that participant's ID, making it easy to track longitudinal data and progress over time. When you toggle to the All Sessions page, each participant's results are shown by their unique ID. Click on a session to view the results, and press the play button in the top right corner to watch the Pose Points Replay video, which can be a helpful educational tool. The Share button allows you to email or print the results, and if needed, you can delete the session using the button in the bottom left corner. These updates are all about making the Exer Scan app more helpful and easier to use. We hope you enjoy the new features, and please reach out to the Exer team with any questions.